Have you ever walked into a room and felt your confidence crumble the moment you saw her? That tightness in your chest, second-guessing every word, afraid of saying the wrong thing. What if I told you there's a way to completely eliminate that fear forever? In today's video, you'll discover 10 Stoic secrets to build bulletproof confidence in dating. Secrets so powerful, you'll never struggle to impress again. Ready to finally become the guy women are naturally drawn to. Number 1. Master the art of unshakable eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools in attraction, yet so many men overlook it. Mastering unshakable eye contact is like having a superpower. Why? Because when you lock eyes without flinching, you instantly communicate confidence, dominance, and interest. Women can feel your presence. Most men break eye contact out of fear or nervousness, but this signals insecurity. The man who holds his gaze without hesitation stands out. He's not easily shaken, and that's magnetic. Start by focusing on maintaining strong eye contact in casual situations. Practice holding eye contact just a few seconds longer than normal. When you can do this naturally, you'll notice a shift in how people respond to you. Women especially find this irresistible. It shows that you're comfortable with yourself, and you're not afraid to truly see and be seen. Remember, unshakable eye contact is not about staring someone down. It's about being fully present in the moment. The right amount of eye contact, paired with a calm expression, will have a powerful effect. It creates a mysterious aura, making you appear confident and trustworthy. Master this skill, and you'll have a silent but powerful tool that sets you apart from everyone else. Number 2. Trigger instant attraction with confident silence. Silence is a weapon most men don't know how to use. In dating, knowing when to speak and when to stay silent can instantly set you apart. Confident silence creates a sense of mystery and allure that words can never achieve. Why? Because it shows that you're in control and comfortable with yourself. Men who rush to fill every silence with words often come across as insecure or needy, but a man who can sit back, remain silent, and maintain eye contact communicates strength. When you don't feel pressured to talk, you signal that you're not looking for validation. This makes the other person lean in, wondering what's going on in your mind. It creates tension and curiosity, two elements that trigger instant attraction. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude a calm, quiet confidence. They'll notice that you're different, that you're not seeking approval like most. Confident silence is about holding your ground, allowing the moment to breathe, and letting the other person come to you. It's a subtle yet powerful move that speaks volumes without uttering a single word. Use it wisely, and you'll find that your presence alone will draw people in effortlessly. Number 3. Use rejection to create unstoppable charisma. Rejection is not something to fear. It's a powerful tool to build unstoppable charisma. Most men run from it, seeing it as a threat to their ego. But here's the truth. When you embrace rejection, you instantly become more confident. Think about it. Every no you get is actually a hidden opportunity to improve yourself, sharpen your approach, and radiate true confidence. Women can sense this. The man who's not rattled by rejection stands out because he's different. He's the guy who doesn't need validation. And that makes him magnetic. It's a rare trait that few have. Each time you get rejected, ask yourself, what can I learn here? Instead of feeling defeated, become curious. This simple shift makes you unshakable. Rejection is proof that you're putting yourself out there and growing. Imagine a man who keeps pushing forward, unaffected by others' opinions. He's intriguing, mysterious, and dangerous in the best way possible. Every rejection faced with confidence turns into a lesson, and those lessons build charisma. So, If you want to radiate an aura of unbreakable attraction, start using rejection as your training ground. Women will sense it, and they won't be able to look away. Number 4. Unlock the power of seductive body language. Seductive body language is like a silent code that speaks louder than words. Most men think that attraction is all about what they say, but the truth is, how you move matters even more. Women notice your body language within seconds, and if you know how to use it, you can create instant attraction without saying a single word. The key is to be deliberate and intentional with your movements. Start by slowing down everything you do. Men with seductive body language never rush. Slow, confident movements show that you're in control and comfortable with your surroundings. Keep your shoulders relaxed, stand tall, and make sure your body is open. Never cross your arms or hunch over. This signals that you're open to engagement and approachable. Next, focus on your gestures. When you touch your face, adjust your watch, or place your hands in your pockets, do it deliberately and slowly. Avoid fidgeting, as it makes you appear nervous. Instead, use your hands to emphasize points casually and effortlessly. Subtle touches, like brushing lint off your sleeve, can convey sensuality if done with the right intention. Remember, seductive body language is about creating a magnetic presence that draws women in naturally. Number 5. Speak with authority that turns heads. Speaking with authority is one of the fastest ways to command attention. When your voice carries strength and certainty, people have to listen. Most men speak in a way that's hesitant or unsure, giving away their power with every weak word. But when you speak with authority, you immediately stand out. It's not about being loud or aggressive. It's about using a tone that shows you know exactly what you're talking about. To master this, start by slowing down your speech. Rushed words show anxiety and desperation. Speaking slowly makes every word sound intentional and confident. Next, lower your vocal pitch slightly. A deeper tone naturally sounds more powerful and trustworthy. Avoid filler words like or They kill your authority instantly. Instead, embrace brief pauses between sentences. This silence gives your words weight and draws attention. When you speak, own your space. Imagine you're the only person in the room who truly understands the topic. Whether you're talking to one person or a group, your confidence will be contagious. Speaking with authority is more than just a skill. It's an aura that will make people stop, listen, and be drawn to everything you say. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more powerful content like this. Number 6. Become mysterious by revealing less. There's something captivating about a man who doesn't reveal too much. When you hold back just enough, you create an air of mystery that's irresistible. Most men overshare in an attempt to connect, but this actually makes them less intriguing. The key is to reveal just enough to spark interest, but never so much that someone feels they completely understand you. A man who reveals less leaves room for curiosity, and curiosity is what pulls people in. Start by speaking less about your personal life. When asked questions, give thoughtful answers, but don't spill every detail. Instead, redirect the conversation back to the other person. This makes you more intriguing and keeps the focus on them. When you talk, choose your words carefully. Avoid talking about past relationships, your deepest feelings, or every success and failure you've experienced. Remember, the most attractive men are those who remain a little out of reach, like a book with missing chapters that you need to read. Women are naturally drawn to men who carry a sense of mystery because they want to figure them out. The less you reveal, the more room you create for imagination, making your presence undeniably magnetic. Number 7. Dominate conversations with a calm aura. A calm aura in conversations is a rare yet powerful trait that instantly commands respect. Most people try to dominate a conversation by being loud or overpowering others with words. But true dominance comes from staying composed and collected. When you speak with a calm presence, people can't help but lean in and listen. Your calmness sends a message. You're not here to prove anything. You already know your worth. Start by controlling your emotions. No matter what's being said, don't react impulsively. Instead, take a deep breath and maintain steady eye contact. A calm demeanor makes you seem unshakable, which is both intimidating and attractive. Women, in particular, are drawn to men who don't get rattled easily. This quiet strength shows you can handle yourself in any situation. Next, choose your words carefully. When you speak slowly and deliberately, each word carries more weight. Don't rush to fill the silence. Use pauses to your advantage. This creates an aura of confidence and control that few can match. A calm aura makes you appear like a steady rock amidst chaos, someone people naturally gravitate toward. Master this, and you'll dominate conversations without saying much at all. Number 8. Control any room with stoic energy. Stoic energy is a force that commands attention without effort. When you walk into a room with a calm, steady presence, you instantly stand out. Most people are full of nervous energy, fidgeting, talking too fast, or trying too hard to impress. But a man who carries himself with stoic calmness naturally controls any space he enters. He doesn't need to shout, dominate, or draw attention to himself. His presence alone does that. The key to embodying stoic energy is mastering your emotions. No matter what's happening around you, stay centered. Don't react to every little thing. Instead, observe calmly and respond thoughtfully. This shows people that you're in control of yourself and, by extension, the room. When you remain unshaken by external chaos, others can't help but respect you. It makes them question, what makes him so composed? Also, speak less and listen more. A man who is comfortable in silence and doesn't need to force conversations appears powerful. When you do speak, let your words be deliberate and impactful. With this controlled energy, you project an aura of strength and confidence that silently dominates the room, making people naturally gravitate towards you. Number 9. Turn fear into magnetic confidence. Fear is something every man faces, but how you use it makes all the difference. Most men let fear paralyze them, avoiding challenges and shrinking back. But what if you could turn that fear into magnetic confidence? The truth is, fear is just energy, an alert telling you something matters. When you embrace that energy and move forward anyway, you turn fear into fuel. It's what separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. Start by acknowledging the fear instead of running from it. When you feel your heart race or palms sweat, don't see it as weakness. See it as a signal that you're stepping out of your comfort zone. This shift in mindset changes everything. Instead of avoiding the fear, welcome it and push through. Each time you do, you'll find yourself becoming stronger and more resilient. Over time, facing fear becomes a habit, and as you conquer more fears, your confidence skyrockets. People will notice this. A man who moves forward despite fear is seen as bold, daring, and magnetic. It's an unspoken power that draws others in. Use fear as a stepping stone, and soon you'll radiate the kind of confidence that few can ignore. Number 10. Radiate an unbreakable, masculine presence. An unbreakable masculine presence is not about being the loudest or the most aggressive in the room. It's about radiating inner strength and confidence that commands respect. Most men confuse masculinity with being dominant or forceful, but true masculine energy is calm, centered, and unshakable. When you embody this, People can sense it. You become a man others look up to and women are drawn to. It's not just what you say or do, it's the way you carry yourself. Start by cultivating a strong posture. Stand tall with your shoulders back, chest open, and head held high. This simple adjustment instantly changes how others perceive you. Next, practice emotional control. No matter what happens, keep a steady, relaxed demeanor. Whether someone tries to provoke you or chaos erupts around you, your response should always be composed and thoughtful. This shows that you're not easily swayed, which makes you appear powerful. Lastly, speak with a clear, firm voice. Avoid rushing through words or mumbling. Each word should reflect your conviction. When you project this type of presence, people will notice. It's a silent strength that communicates. You're the kind of man who's in control, no matter what. And there you have it, 10 powerful Stoic techniques to build bulletproof confidence in dating. Remember, applying these tips isn't just about attracting others. It's about transforming yourself into a more resilient and magnetic version. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on content that takes your confidence to the next level. And don't stop here. Check out the videos appearing on your screen right now for even more insights and strategies. Keep leveling up, and I'll see you in the next video.